Hi, this is Shannon Hahn, and this is my final project for backend programming. And here I have my Spring Tools suite with my API ready to go. I have my database that I created here with my entity relationship diagram showing my one-to-one relationship, my many-to-many relationship with a join table, and then my one-to-many relationship. It is based off of food trucks, employees who work in those food trucks, and the locations that can have the food trucks and host them and stuff. I have simple contact information for both the food trucks and the employees, and then the locations, contact information, and whether or not they serve alcohol, and then the menu types and prices for all the items that the food trucks have. And then I have it in here with all my columns and everything. And then I have my application here. I have all my classes and interfaces over here. I have the main application. I have all my entities for employee, food truck, location, and menu. And then I have an exception for if a resource is not found. I have all my repositories and then my service, which includes the regular service interface and then the implementation of that interface. So if we go through just the employee one, I have all my annotations and then all of the columns for the table in the employee. And then for my repository, it just extends the JPA repository. Employee is the type of entity and integer is the primary key ID. And then for my service, I have all of my post, get, another get for by ID, and then put and delete, and then the implementation of all of those. And then my employee controller with my REST controller and request mapping for letting it know that it's going to be under the truck database with the employee table. I have my post mapping, my two get mappings, my put mapping, and my delete mapping. And then, so if we run this, there we go. And then we come over here, it brings it up, and I have it all in there. So if we wanted to create an employee, let's see. I'm going to just delete this. And then he's going to work for food truck number 4. His first name will be Ricky. His last name will be Bobby. And then we'll just do phone contact, 22, execute. And we have a response code of 201 and 200, okay. And then, so if we come up here and we get all of the employees, we can now see that Ricky Bobby has been added. And then, so he is employee ID number 12. I already tested it with number 11, so that's why I'm missing number 11. So number 12, if we want to delete, so he is number 12. That employee has been terminated. So if we do this again, he is no longer on the list. Alrighty, and I have uploaded my project on my GitHub, and that is my final project. I had a really good fun time, and thank you so much.